Hi friends, and welcome to a little behind the scenes of the Ford Focus project. And it's already the middle of the day, but I figured it would be fun to take you guys along the way because we'll be filming again tomorrow. So yeah, what we're currently doing, and I'm saying we because I'm here with Petrit, we just finished rebuilding the short block, and now we're taking a thumbnail photo for video number 2 that's already online when I'm uploading this, I think. But this is always a bit of a struggle, finding the right angle and everything. But we've forgotten in the past, so we're going to take some time to get it right this time. Oh, and also fun little fact, I wasn't even planning on filming a behind the scenes of this project, but I got one single comment from one of you guys, and I hope you're watching because you said you were looking forward to a behind the scenes of this project. So I'm filming this for you because I like to make videos when people request it. Wow, pretty. By the way, Pascal's here too, of course.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he is.
No, I'm not.
But he was outside setting up his drone because we want to try and fly it. I think Pascal and Petrit are going to try because I'll probably crash it.
Yeah.
Where's your drone?
First of all, can you take off your cover? Because
Oh, it's there. Chillin'.
No. Look at this.
Do you know how to fly it? Oh, that's cool. Also, some good news on Petrit's car. It's fixed. Is it? And I didn't fix it because we couldn't figure it out. So you took it to the shop. But tell us what the problem turned out to be.
Real easy. There was a problem with a spring that was on the stepper motor. So that's fixed.
Yeah, between the stepper motor and the distributor, right?
Yeah, it's like a thing that goes like this and the spring goes around. There was a problem with that, so then he couldn't get any LPG, but now it works perfectly fine, so that's really good.
So we're really happy. Also, we decided to take it to a shop because we thought it would be an LPG leak, as many of you suggested, but we couldn't test it if it didn't run. So we decided to take it to a shop because hopefully they could test it for vacuum leaks, but that didn't turn out to be a problem. But we think the stepper motor was also broken because at first with the original spring in it didn't run, and then with the new stepper motor and the new spring in it still didn't run, and then with a new spring in that isn't broken, it's running. So it's probably the stepper motor and the spring, but I guess we'll never know 100% sure because I'm not going to change it for the old stepper motor to figure that out. And also I feel like I'm being followed by a drone because Pascal's flying it and he probably can see it. Oh, I think he can see it. Cool. That's cool. That's the drone camera. You've had this for years, right? Mm-hmm. But you didn't fly it. But maybe we can use it for some cool car shots or something. If it works. But it seems to work.
Ja.
That's cool.
Hou vast. Kijk, als je die knopje doet. Oh. Pap.
Oh, that's cool.
Pap.
Ja, make it
Maar gewoon second, hè?
Hello.
Gewoon...
Okay, so now Petrit's going to fly its drone for the very first time.
Yeah, being a cameraman is kinda ashamed that I've never flight a drone.
I don't know.
But this is gonna be my first time.
Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you even see it? I think so.
The best car in the lot.
That's nice. Okay, we're going to be using this in the future, I think. Okay, back to the Ford engine. And like I said, it's already pretty late, so we're not going to be actually working on that, but we're going to do some preparations for tomorrow, because tomorrow we want to try and reinstall it back into the car. But that will be for the main channel, of course. But yeah, we're going to do some preparations that won't be in the video anyway, because we're now going to put this engine on the floor. Well, Pascal's doing that. and I'm vlogging. Pascal has a cool shirt because I designed it and I got the same one. But yours has the right color because yours is actually cream yellow and mine's neon yellow and the wrong size because it's a kid's tee. And that's why I got it for free. Now there's one more thing we want to do today, car-wise, and that has to do with Petrit's car, because his dials you call it, right? That we're going to replace in English. Tellerbox? Cluster, yes. Because his is broken, and we got another one right there, but we have to copy the mileage or else it will have a fault code, so we'll need to do that with the computer. So that's what we're going to do now.
Basically gonna clone it.
Yeah, clone it.
Yeah,
I never get the English words.
Yeah, so that the car does not say that there's been tampered with the mileage.
Yeah.
Because we put it in the
Yep.
new clock we're gonna put in, but with a working display instead of one with a broken display. And it's kind of handy on a bi-fuel car if you have a display where you can see how full the tank is.
Yeah, because you have 2 gas meters, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you.
Wait.
Yeah, okay, can you see?
Yeah.
You have this one, and this is usually on Volvo cars, it's the gasoline meter,
Yeah.
or petrol, or diesel. But in this B-fuel car, this is the LPG meter. And here, this thing here, you see a display. That's the thing that doesn't work,
As you can see.
as you can see. And there, I have the gasoline or meter in it. So then I can see it, but now I can't see how much gasoline I have. So
Yeah.
petrol.
And also when you got a warning light, you can't see what's the problem. So I think
Yeah, true.
new cluster will be nice. So now you're cloning it with the laptop, right? But first you're reading the fault codes, I believe.
Yeah, I first gotta connect to it, but I just gotta close something else first.
Which usually takes an hour because this laptop stems from 1990 or so, something. How old is this?
I don't know.
And my guess is 2007.
Same as the car, right? Or what year is this car from?
I thought it was 2005, but
I have no clue actually.
Yeah, so you need to put in username.
van deze man.
Okay. See if it works. Oh, it works because I forgot if you need a driver for the reading device, but we will see what happens.
And detect.
Yeah, it's working. Nice. It is 2005. You were right.
This is nice, she's fixing my car.
Yeah, or not. Just like your LPG system. But we tried a lot.
At least I do what I do best, and that's handling this camera. There it is.
Almost.
Almost.
There it is.
Yeah. Pretty.
Kijken of die het doet überhaupt en wat de kilometerstand is grappig.
Well, it's working.
Display is working also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it has lower mileage, but not for long because we're going to clone it. Pascal's going to clone it. I have no clue how to do that.
Yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Nice.
Show them the meter.
Yeah, this is what I meant. Gasolina. Okay, but it works.
Yeah, okay, now we cannot drive because of the weird mileage. But now we're going to clone it, but we wanted to test it first. Because we don't want to install something and then find out it's broken only after paying for the cloning.
With 2 babies. Cute.
Yeah, which one is which?
Now for the cloning we need constant voltage, so we used some jumper cables attached to a car. I can't show on the channel yet because it's for work and it still has to be refilled, but I'll show you that car later maybe. And now Pascal can go and actually clone the new cluster. And he's using Fidesz for that, by the way. I don't think you can even see anything, but it's busy. Alright, and we're all nice and done for today because we're done prepping everything for tomorrow and we're done with the beef fuel again. So yeah, I'll get back to you tomorrow. Alright, it is now the next day and I didn't do much vlogging today because it's already the end of the day because we did do a whole lot of work, so I didn't have that much time. But for those of you watching that are also watching the main channel, I think that's most of you, I did want to give you guys a little sneak peek on what you're about to see on the main channel in a few weeks, I think. Because today we reinstalled the engine, finally, and it's so nice to finally see it back into the car again. But more about the whole process and everything soon on the main channel. But like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek because I'm super excited and I think you guys may be too. So, you guys excited too that the engine is finally in?
Mm-hmm. Finally, I didn't expect it, but
No, you didn't?
at least not so fast. But
Well, yeah, it was pretty easy, I guess.
He's got a lot of trust.
Yeah.
Not.
Yeah, but things did go according to plan this time, and normally they don't. So that's nice. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Really excited, because look at that. It's not even a full engine yet, but it's in there. But yeah, that's it for the vlog. And for the rest of this project, please stay tuned on the main channel. For now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!